guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you guys how to make another hair growth butter. And for today's hair growth butter, the main powders I'm going to use are moringa powder, fenugreek powder, amla powder and chebe powder. And without wasting time, let's just get straight into this video. So first I'm going to start with the oils, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of castor oil. And then I'm going in with 31 ml of coconut oil. So this is my moringa powder, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this moringa powder into this oil. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of chebe powder. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. And the last powder I'm going to add is amla powder. I'm using 1 teaspoon of amla powder. So first, for this part, I'm going to mix all my butters together. This is my shea butter, and I'm going to add this cocoa butter. And the last butter I'm going to add is my avocado butter. I added my avocado butter, and the next thing I'm going to add to this is my cetyl alcohol. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cetyl alcohol to this. Now I'm going to add fennel oil to this. I am using half tablespoon of fennel oil. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So to this bowl, I am going to add 83 ml of water. This water mixture, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. So I'm going to go ahead and double boil these 3 mixtures, and I'll be right back. So right now everything is melted. I've already melted the butters and I double boiled every single thing. Now I am going to mix all of them together. So for this, I am going to shift this so that the powders will not enter the butter. And the next thing I'm going to use is my hand mixer to mix this properly, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, it is becoming thick, so I'm going to leave this to cool down for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you have a freezer, you can put it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. But if you're putting it in the fridge, you can put it in the fridge and leave it for about 1 hour or so. Then I will come back and show you guys what this looks like in the next 1 hour. So actually this is 3 hours later, and this is as strong as a stone right now. So I'm going to leave it out for a few minutes before I start whipping it with my hand mixer. As you can see, it is still strong. Finally, I whipped it. I left it out for a few minutes before I started mixing it with my hand mixer, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to finish this up and put this in the container, and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like. Now it is time for me to add my essential oils. I am adding peppermint oil to this, and the next oil I'm going to add is my lavender oil. After that, I will add my tea tree oil, and I also added my preservative. Now I've mixed everything together, so I'm going to put this into a container. This is what it looks like in the container. As you can see, this hair butter is thick compared to the last hair butter I did. going to do right now is to spray my hair with water. Normally I will use a hibiscus spray water or my black seed water to spray on my hair, but right now I am currently out of it. Making a video on different hairsprays you can use to spray your hair every single day. You can use this every day, you can spray it overnight. I'll be making a video on that, and I think that will be my next video. But for today I'm going to use water to spray my hair, and I'll go ahead and apply my hair cream, my hair butter. In my next video.